So what you guys build today?
This right here is my $550 gaming PC featuring the Ryzen 5 5600X and Arc A750, and we built it using Microcenter and the awesome deals they had at their Indianapolis location. And yeah, we did this for a challenge video, which you have to see, but go take a look at Jackson's build. His looks really clean.
I actually took advantage of Micro Center deals as well. I had $500 to spend, so $50 less than that. I had the Intel Arc A380 and the i5-12400F, and yeah, 32 gigs of RAM. It's a really clean build, guys. Which one do you prefer?